Hey guys, welcome to my page, Adventure with Erica. So I went there in Balinsasayaw Lake together with my friends, which is very
Dalaga.
nice, guys. Kanang maka chill ra ba ka kay there's a lot of
Bantay.
trees there and it's very peaceful, and you already heard about like kanang langgam bitaw nga basta nice kayo siya, but nangadto manggod mi ani is dili good
Gamay
ang
na kayo
weather,
katanaw.
so it's better if
Di
mangadto
kayo
mi
layo.
if nice ang weather kay danglog kayo ni siya, guys. Down there ang kuan ang dalan is danglog jud siya, so be
Oh,
careful
bawal
kung
man dai ka.
maadto dito kay slidey kaayo, but it's
Pamotor mo.
very nice. So pwede po mo mag-boating there kuan 200 ra siguro to ilang bayad, pero katong nangadto may
Kahadlo
wala
katong
may
sa movies
nag-boating
man
kay
yung mga
kuya kaayo, guys, niya ako sugbi atong ulan. So more
May
na
mga-
guys, bye bye, hope you support
Sige,
me.
ligo ba?